As it's been a bit cold and chilly here, I decided to get on with my project, and probably you can see I've got the deck planked cut but not fitted because I'm running desperately out of room at the moment, so I need somewhere to work. So I thought to myself, the deck's done, let's make up the lights. So what I use is a piece of 4x4 box section 1/8, and then I use a 2-inch hole drill and mark out the hole and mark these evenly and cut the holes. Now, using one of these as a template, I can then mark out the holes for the bolts. So the 2 inches are a little bit too big, but it's all I had, so it worked out very, very nice because it gives you a little bit of wiggle room, and that's what you want, you see. You've got a little bit there to get them right. So what did I do to cut them? Well, these are cut at 60 degrees. So this is the right and this is the left, and this is how to go on. So 60 degree cut there, but the other bit has to be a bit more funky. That's right. So what we've got, I measure 6 inches from here to here, and then do another 60 degrees on here to a point, and then cut back to that point. There is a reason for that, because the tailgate, the rear cross member is tapered slightly, so you can't put that piece on because it's going to look stupid. So anyway, what they're going to look like, see if I can push this on. Is that the left one? No, it's the right one. Oh, these are going to all fall out. So what they're going to look like is that when they're on, if you see what I mean. And you can see now why I cut the taper, just to make them look a little bit better. So I hope that comes out nice. One of the things, if you do these, and I made this video just for myself because the last set I made was about 6 years ago and I completely forgot the measurement, so I had to get the old car out, and I'll show you on a video what they should look like. But what is important is when you make these, or if you use these lights for anything else, is there's a little tiny location pin just here. You can see that. You've got to cut that off and make it flat, just like I did with this one. Why? Because you see, when you I don't know if I didn't do this one just to show you, but when you look inside and you tighten this down, it will actually crack with vibration. It will crack that housing and bugger up the light at the same time. So when you cut it off, it comes like this. It's very important when you're retrofitting those, because I've seen an awful lot of them crack. Also, put them the right way up. If you notice, these are upside down at the moment, but they've got a drain hole in here, and also these lights have got a location peg just there. So when you put the light in, it lines up with that. There, you see. So you put that in, and that will all line up together. Well, let's have a look at this one here. So you put that one in, wiggle it around a bit, and there you go. It's nice. So just a couple of notes on that. If you want to make them, dead easy. Bit of 4-inch box section. Nothing rocket science. I'm going to get these. I'm going to sandblast these and paint them before I put them on. I'll probably bolt them on, but you could weld them on. And the reason why I put them so deep under there, people say, well, why don't you just put them right at the very back? Because they'll get smashed off. And they're nice and bright. They're a lot better than the old Land Rover lights. Some people ask me why I don't fit LEDs in the backlights. Well, the simple reason is it doesn't melt the snow. They all get plugged up with snow, and then you can't be seen from behind. So it's one of my little things. I have LEDs in the front because I can see those, but nobody can see these at the back. So it's quite important. Well, it's not quite important, but it's down to your taste and wherever you live. So there you go. That's how to make some real lights. So what we're going to end up with is lights like this. And there's the number plate light, and there's the number plate discreetly tucked in there, well out the way. Yeah, they look good. They're out the way, they're easy to replace. You see one's got a stone chip in, but they're cheap and easy to do.